Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. A lot of you have written to me asking me to create a tutorial series, especially on Next.js. So here I am with a brand new series on Next.js. My aim of this series is to help you learn and master Next.js with me. This will be a complete end-to-end guide. I will do a lot of live coding, maybe some projects, which will help you learn and master Next.js with me. As always, please do show your love by liking, commenting and subscribing to my channel. If you need any tech support or training for your job, let me know. Write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. Alright, so today we are doing introduction. That is just the basic overview of what is Next.js. Next.js, we all know that we use React to write the client-side applications. But we can use React at the server side as well using the Next.js framework. So Next.js is a React framework for building server rendered or statically exported React applications. It was developed by Vercel and which was aimed to improve the performance and development experience. You can visit the official website at nextjs.org for all the documentation, help, etc. We'll be using this website as we move along in the series to refer to the documentation, which I'll show you how to refer, how to read, how to understand. The current version as of recording of this video is 14, whereas version 15 is already a release candidate. So I'll be covering the latest version of Next.js 14 and 15. Key features of Next.js, we have the file-based routing, right? So automatically Next.js will create routes based on the file structure within the pages directory. Again, this is something that has changed from the previous versions of Next.js. So we'll see as we go along. I'll show you the differences as well. But understand that you can create just the file names and the hierarchy, and the routes will be automatically configured. Server-side rendering, that's one of the greatest feature of Next.js, which is we can render the pages on the server at request time, which helps us in improving the SEO and initial load performance. Static site generation, which means we can pre-render pages at build time, offering faster page loads and the ability to serve static files. We can also create API routes. So if you are familiar with say Express.js, Node.js, where you create APIs, you can do that with Next.js also. We also have automatic code splitting, which means each page only loads the JavaScript that is required. Hence, it improves the performance of the page. Next.js has a solid built-in support for CSS and Sass support, which means there are a lot of important styling components, everything that you can use with the built-in support of CSS and Sass. What is the obvious advantages are performance optimization, developer experience, versatility, and community and ecosystem. The biggest boost I would say would be the performance, because the code is generated at the server, it's rendered, and which means that only code that is required is loaded. Hence, it's really load times are very fast. It also supports the SEO as well. What are some of the use cases of Next.js? You can build e-commerce sites which are huge, a lot of content driven websites like say blogs, marketing pages, agency work, etc. You can also build enterprise web applications which are complex, interactive web applications, and much more. Alright, there is a lot of job market, and there are a lot of career opportunities in Next.js, especially if you are on the React side. There are a lot of job openings, there are a lot of companies which are preferring candidates who have React plus Next.js. So make sure that you stay up to date in this competitive edge. It also pays really good, and you can also do some freelancing work if that permits. Alright, that's all as part of the introduction to Next.js. You know, we talk less and code more. So next episode we start with installation, and then we start coding the application. Right? I hope you'll enjoy this series. I'm putting my heart and soul into making this a great tutorial so that everybody should learn it for free. I hope you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.